In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Mailchimp. If you use Jotform to collect leads or signups and Mailchimp to manage your email audience, connecting the two saves time and keeps your contacts organized automatically. We'll walk through the process from inside Jotform, and by the end, your Mailchimp account will be securely linked and ready for use with your form. Start by opening the form you want to connect. Log into Jotform and head to My Forms. Find the form you want to work with. If you have a long list, the search bar and folder filters can help you locate it quickly. Click Edit Form to open it in the Form Builder. Don't worry, opening a form in the Builder doesn't affect existing submissions, and you can safely review settings before making anything live. Once the form is open, look to the top menu and click Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes options live for your form. On the left side of the Settings page, choose Integrations. The Integrations page lets you connect your form to other services. Use the search bar to type Mailchimp. When Mailchimp appears in the results, click it to add the integration. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling or scroll through the list of popular integrations until you find it. Now it's time to connect your account. Click Authenticate Mailchimp. A secure Mailchimp login window will open. Sign into your Mailchimp account and then review the permissions screen. You'll be asked to allow Jotform access so it can send your form's data to Mailchimp. This is a standard, secure connection method, and you can revoke access later from your Mailchimp account if needed. Make sure you're logging into the correct Mailchimp account, especially if you manage more than one. After you approve, the window will close and Jotform will confirm that your Mailchimp account is connected. That's it, your Mailchimp account is now linked to Jotform. From here, you're set up to use this connection with your form. If you get a connection error, try refreshing the page and authenticating again, or ensure that pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser. It's also a good idea to save your form before you leave the builder just to keep everything tidy. You've successfully connected Jotform to Mailchimp. This simple setup lays the foundation for syncing form entries into your email audience without manual copying and pasting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any additional forms you want to connect.